Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathalan channel. Today we will discuss about circles problem. It is a JEE means April 2nd, shift to paper. C1BA circle. It is a C1BA circle. In the C1, C2 be the another circle. It is lie in the circle. And the center of the C2, it is the center. Center is the 3 plus 4i. 3 plus 4i, center with the, and radius 5, it is 0, 0, means the center of the C1, the radius is 5, this is 5, and a point moves, Z1 moves on a C1, Z1 moves on a C1, this is Z1, and Z2 moves on C2, so mod of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to minimum of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to 2. So here Z1 minus Z2 means is the distance. This distance means it is the radius of C1. So R minus it is the diameter, R minus diameter of small circle. The diameter of small circle means D is equal to 10. There is equal to 2 into 5. There is equal to R minus 10 is equal to already given 2, so R is equal to 12. So the radius of C1 is 12. And what is the maximum value of the maximum of mod of Z1 minus Z2? The maximum value is it is the diameter. Suppose Z1 will form here, it is a Z1. This is the maximum value. So the maximum value is it is the radius R plus it is the diameter 10. There is equal to R value 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. So the maximum value is the 22. The maximum value is the 22.